Sanibonani, dumelang, hello, igama uZandi Sibongo Umfeka umalwandle lo. Lalela-ke, angeke ngize ngikuyeke ube yi-life graduate and ube i-follower yaleli page ngibe ngikuyeka usendlaleni. Happy Youth Day to everybody. Today ngikulethela-ke a freedom to earn your own chankuras ngo-Avbob no-SLC. And lokhu-ke sikubiza ngani? Nge-Dream Team. How do you join this big beautiful team? You register, you sign, you switch. It means ukuthi wena if ujoyina i-Dream Team uzoba umdayisi we-airtime no-SALSI starter packs as well. Bazokufundisa ukuthi how you register, how you switch and how you sign. Once you have registered, they will send you a link via your email. That link you are able to share it with your friends, your family and everybody that is gonna buy and join the business, that is gonna buy a funeral cover and join the business. While you are doing that in the comfort of your home using the spare time that you have, it means ukuthi you are making a passive income, because each and every time you register, you sign, you switch, abantu bakho kusho ukuthi wena you have got a potential to earn an income. And lalela, for as long as umuntu ayikhokhela leyo funeral cover, wena uzoqhubeka noku-earna le mali. Angazi ukuthi usalindeni, because nayi i-link down below. Kanti ke namhlanje especially nesikhulu kunaso sonke ukuthi uzojoyina mahala ha. Ukujoyina le business kubiza 100 rand, first tire and a second tire is 299. Kodwa for today only, for the sake of the Youth Day, you will join for free. What are you waiting for? Just click on the link below and join under my team, and voila, you are part of the team. And make money while you are just sitting in the comfort of your home with SALSI and Dream Team. Kanti ke please ungalenzi phutha, ngicela ubuke ama-adverts adlala in between lesi sikhangiso njengamanje, and especially leya ka-Avbob. And if you need more information, hala me, sendela imininingwane eminye egcwele bese ke ngikufaka ku WhatsApp group la kwenziwa khona ama presentation each and every time, so that you can actually get to understand the business. Thank you. Let us enjoy this day.